More to come, y'all. Killer Squad. More to come, baby. We out here. Bloop. Throw it out there. Pop it. Lock it. Sit on out here and see if my line dribble. We done caught some, but there ain't no keepers. But there's fish in here. You can believe that. All we need is a good 10, 20 of them big ones. They don't want to bite. I don't know if they put a bigger bait on here or what. Fishing with a little tail, a little black tail on the chartreuse jig head. On the ACC. Oh, you got you something. I didn't see that.
Boy, me neither.
You ain't see that with that? Whoa, man, what that was?
Nothing.
Nothing?
That was my maggots, I feel.
Oh, oh man.
My maggots.
Screen city in there.
The old maggots.
That's why we fishing it. Getting them old maggots off,
yeah. Put
them new ones on. I hear you, boy. I hear you.
Yeah, boy, need them new maggots on there.
There go your perch right there. Look at him. He telling on you.
Nah, it wasn't him. He was bigger than that.
He was bigger than that. Look at him flip it out there. He mad. Something gonna come on and go badoosh. Come on, bite my line now. Where y'all at? A couple cranks off the bottom there. Just had something blow up behind us that was pretty big. I know it wasn't no carp coming up like that. That was an aggressive, whatever it was. He was big.
He ain't come all the way out the water.
We was getting bit pretty good, but like I said, they was all small. No keepers. It was a nice day to be out. Let me check my bait. That's probably why they wouldn't hit it. That's probably why it got to be straight. Got to look like that. At least something like that. You gotta give them something to eat with it. I'll give them one niblet of maggot juice. Look at them eyes back there. Bam. He on there. Let's try this again. Now I'm supposed to get bit. I ain't even go that far. I'm gonna clack it. I'm supposed to get bit, y'all. So I'm supposed to want that thing. Told you something supposed to bite it. What we got is a small crappie. And that's what we've been catching. We had one on the board, and he was still short. He was thick. Uh-oh. Man, he jumped out my hand like that. Look, come here, buddy. Look, don't stick me in because I don't want to be stuck. Just like that, he gone. To the squad, y'all. Till we find the big ones. Another spot. Still catching these big boys. I'm gonna switch to a little road runner. Head. Oh. Let's see what they do. There's another. He ain't that big. He throwback side. He might not be. He might not be. That's a keeper. There you go. Oh, he came back for it right at the boat. Alright. I got another old bluegill. Yeah. Figuring 8. He nice. Yours bigger than this one?
Nope.
Throw him back.
He already gone through himself back.
Yeah, I like him like that. Tip me with one little maggot.
That's the first side over there.
Is that the first side?
Yeah, it's the first side over there.
Oh, they was a little bigger, man. They were like 10 inches.
Alright.
It'd be worth something. Get another picture that on out there, y'all. Bloop. Sometimes as soon as it hit the water, they pop that boy. They're right up there at the rocks. We in about 5 or 6 foot of water. Throwing up there to the bank. Bringing it on back just as easy. Gracias. They've been coming close to this right here to the boat here. Dead like that. Ooh. He came up and hit that boy. Came back for it. So he's right at the boat. Man, they got twins. Yellow bellies. Now this is the best tasting bluegill in the world to me. This yellow belly. All them can come. All them. As long as they 4 finger thick, they good to go. Pitch right out here. See what's going on out here in this deep water. Man, they hitting right at that boat, so see what's going on.
I said he's slugging to come on up to the boat, to the motor and hit it.
Oh, I just missed one. Oh, he come back, still missed it. They right here. They messed that body up. I done switched the body about 3-4 times different ways. It's gonna come off. I've just been trying to save it. I'm just trying to save it. One fish at a time. Go out that way. Go behind me. See where it goes. Oh, I missed it. I ain't gonna get nothing else. My body messed up. I gotta switch my body, y'all. There you go, right there at the boat. Right at the boat. Right at the boat now. Somebody's still gonna hold out for me a little bit. Fish out here in the wide open. In the wide open, as they say. You get about a 3 count, start reeling.
Probably a little. Light it up.
Oh, he's gonna do some gluing, huh? Oh boy, he about jerked it out my hand. Come on with it then, you bad. Now you still try to get it. Right at the boat, you little son gun. Alright, Killer Squad Nation, that's what we doing. Bring y'all back. You understand? Stay tuned. We moved around. Found some more. I wanted to say, boy, why you quit fighting? We got camera shot? Oh, you got one too, huh? Boy, they thick, y'all. That little nugget is thick. Him down in there. They're in there. I got one. Thank you, sir. Gentleman and a scholar. My little bait, it just getting towed up. Get it out there and count it down. Lay out there deep. Look at him. Bang. Look at him coming in sideways. Him a throwback. Come on, bump it then. Don't be no Bumpy Johnson. Come on now. Yeah, Bumpy Johnson. Oh, he's just playing with me. Man, my body got to be all messed up. I ain't got it no more.
Nobody.
I ain't got nobody.
Ain't nobody. Ain't nobody.
Yeah, him them strip me naked. Hot dog. Well, that sound like a good one, boy.
Oh no. Feel like it's not.
There he is down there. Oh, red breast. Down south we call them brims. Is that J bait? Got that J bait on? I got them Bobby Garner going right now. Okay, I got you, boy. You know, Bobby. And that's what we doing, y'all. I'll hit y'all back when we find some more biggins. Killer Squad, baby. Yeah, we still catching them, y'all. Big and little. I got a little and he got a big one. We went around, threw up in there, over there. Looked around. Didn't catch merch. Come back out here where we was catching them. Throwing out here in 6 and 7 foot of water, letting it hit the bottom. And come on back with a big one. Sitting here easy breezy fishing. We tried a couple different techniques. I ain't using no bobber today. I've been straight tight lining all day today. Oh, you come off. Come back. I got you, boy. Oh, you ain't that big. You ain't that big. You trying to fight like it though. Look at you. I said they been hitting one after. Boy, what are you doing? Jumping out the water with him, boy. What that was? Oh, jumping up. That was a bass? Yeah. And jumping all out the water. I think I caught that. So we've been hitting them one after another. You can hear them in there and they're fighting in the live well. That's enough of them in there. I got 40 or 50, close to it. Oh, some big ones. I done caught some, I know, at least a half a pound. 2.
About three or four.
There's some nice ones. Oh, he's a little bit. He can put all that. He's gonna come back for a while. Bam. He's running straight to the boat. Oh, Mr. Yellow Belly. He going to the house.
Man, he bit my tail off, man.
Look at that. Yeah, pretty good. Big. Chunky. I like to eat him whole.
Might have got hit by an eye or something,
Huh? I done ate your tail off?
boy. Yeah,
You can catch him still like that, boy, I guarantee you.
you want to see?
Oh, looking good in there. Hear me there fighting? Well, they in there, they fighting. They getting tight. Get a squad, baby. You see what it is? Doing what we do. Kick back. We're gonna head up out of here in a minute. Oh no. That braid don't be playing. Beat this body up. Killer squad, baby, to the next one. Let's see what we got. Some bluegill for sure. Oh, you're nice. Come up with the grass. I don't need the salad, boy. Oh, you peeing. Open the door for me there, bro. Get it back out there and see what happens. That far, just tighten up on it when it get down there like that. Just let it fall. When they get down there, I start reeling real slow on it. Grass. With the grass on it. What you doing up there, Padre? Oh, I'm about to lose this. Now I gotta hook this in the body. Rock with it, lean with it, hold with it. Hold what you got, boy. Hold what you got.
Cowboy.
All right, Mr. Cowboy. He's a cowboy, baby. Come on now. Came back for it. Oh, that's a mean bluegill right there. Where'd he go? Oh, all that drag pulling, man, he come on. Yeah, I mean, all that grass. And then come on. Come on, I got to do better than that now. Got to do better than that. Killer squad, baby. See y'all at the truck. back home. Them's the fishes. Get the flopping real good in here in a minute. Well, how you think we did today, bro?
Did alright there, boy. Got some meat in the freezer. Did pretty good.
All right, y'all. Once again, I want to thank y'all for liking, watching, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. Appreciate your time that you spend in with us, and you know, kick back, relax, watch us do what we do. Till next one, y'all. Keep on watching.